What is NEET? What does NEET stand for? In the United Kingdom, the term NEET means, not in education, employment, or training. This status highlights a serious issue for many young people aged 16 to 24 who are not part of the educational system or workforce. There are many reasons a young person may become NEET: personal challenges, educational barriers, or economic factors. In England, around 11% of young people fall under the NEET category. But this isn't just a personal struggle, it reflects deeper societal challenges. Thankfully, initiatives across the UK are tackling these issues head-on. Here's why NEET support is important. 1. Reduce unemployment rates. Providing education and job training lowers unemployment. 2. Enhanced mental health. Engagement programs reduce isolation and depression. 3. Economic growth. Youth employment boosts the economy through tax contributions and spending. 4. Improved social mobility. Access to education breaks cycles of poverty. At the Work College, we offer courses tailored to empower young people with essential skills, digital skills courses, from basic computer literacy to digital marketing. Customer service training, communication and problem solving for diverse roles. Hospitality and catering, food safety and service techniques for a growing industry. Construction skills training, hands-on experience in safety protocols. Health and social care, preparing students for careers in support and healthcare services. Addressing the NEET issue isn't just the right thing to do, it's an economic necessity that will shape the future of the workforce in the UK. Looking for guidance and support? Visit theworkcollege.com and explore how we can help you build your future today. The Work College, empower your future.